quality of mercy is one of the most beautiful poem in 10th standard written by William Shakespeare. It is 14 lines called Sonnet. The quality of mercy is not strained, it droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven. It is not forced upon anybody. It simply overcomes all other barriers and it is like a rain dropping upon the place beneath. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. It is twice blessed. It is blessed two times, the one who receives and also one who gives. The one who gives feels the fulfillment that I have given. The one who receives feels the gratefulness that I have received. The one who shows mercy and also the one who receives mercy, both are blessed. It is mightiest, in the mightiest it becomes. It is very strong, the quality of mercy. The throned monarch better than his crown. His scepter shows the force of temporal power. The throned monarch is better than his crown. Just sitting on the throne, having a crown, is not that good. But the one who king shows mercy to others, that throned monarch, the king, throned, enthroned, sitting on the chair of the king, is one of them who is having mercy is a good king. His scepter shows the force of temporal power. He has a scepter in his hand, the ruling rod, and it shows his force, but that force is a temporal force, temporal power, but the real kingship shows the mercy. The attribute to awe and majesty, the scepter in his hand is an attribute to awe and majesty, the kingship, wherein does sit the dread and fear of kings. The dread and fear of kings. People get frightened of the king when he has a ruling rod in his hand. But mercy is above this sceptered sway. But mercy is above this sceptered sway. So mercy is not a temporal force or power. Mercy goes beyond this ruling or kingship. It is enthroned in the heart of king. It is not in the crown, not in the scepter. The mercy is in the heart of king. Then mercy has to be shown to others. The merciful king is loved by all. It is an attribute to God himself. The merciful king is God himself who shows mercy to all without doing any partialities. Whatever wrong it is done, when it is admitted, God forgives, and that attribute of mercy is attributed to God alone. And earthly power doth then show like gods. When king shows such mercy, so they become gods to the people. When mercy seasons justice, and earthly power doth then show like gods, when mercy seasons justice. So when mercy is seasoned with justice, when king is merciful to all, and that kind of king people will love.